Ebusuya Ghana for essay. Omontia said the entire John Dramani Mahama. Appointee Obi as a deputy ambassador to a year Dubai. Nasa nipano. Qualification crown almost share nipano a biography. The qualification anywhere. Ghana for say Ghana as a country in a country in him for a mine. Enuti, the appointee a year Obi only any credential, only any qualifications are. A man to qualify by a deputy ambassador there. That is a man Ghana, would the name I form. And a Ghana for Buff Papa and some Ghana for Ekano and Yasan. Try Ghana some TV. I'm just on a promise. Now, what would I say? Papa wants some in a year king. And draw an actress say the better bounty at Tessa deputy ambassador to Dubai, and I say Eeii, you know. A year so for Azoka, Chief Azoka, man, yeah. Or Coco couldn't talk our cancer and cover to your marking our with Yanke by election. A year Winnie Yes, in a year Ketwa, and I don't money, Mahama, Appoint as the deputy ambassador to a year Dubai and as the United Arab Emirates. Now, we and I got 4 years on Coco Mameno. The qualification I'm quite as a mobile dia. She Emma.
Sa Dr. Biana took a crack away. A
crowd, be part of meba. Ubo Google. Dear why Hajia Jamila. No, this is even the one under a friend is a for Meba.
They've not even updated it.
Ubo Mwakasa Diana Beba. Okay.
You mean, person who be wasting data? I was uncle.
You be wasting. Mammy is on him.
And now, Mr. Marcus Mujana, and your corset. The only credentials this woman has, I think, is her name, Masan.
Akwebi original Adenta bus stop. Oh, preach against MPP. But this uncle for the almost Jimmy crowd, they won't be that. Hey, and this is for her.
Actually, I'm not feeling updated a little.
I think if you get her Nidina Kasa, Obo Nidina Kasankasa. Because yesterday Marcus Ebo show Nidina Kasa.
Okay, Susu, what is her name?
We are telling you to come up.
What is her name?
And tell us
what is her name? Susu, what is the lady's full name?
Let me catch us. Lodina Mama Kwakita masters from Gimpa. So there is no surprise anywhere. Lodina Mama so masters from Gimpa.
What is she says she knows that what is her full name? Susu, please, what is her full name?
The woman's name. Me pa cho boni full name mine. Ebusuan for deputy ambassador to Dubai. And that's so far as Oka, a second wife. Susu, boni full name ne mame. Why? Because we want to check her. Your friend is saying no.
I have the list.
Apostle, you have the list, right?
Yeah.
Boni di nebra. Mo deputy ambassador.
Her name is
okay.
Jamila Amadou. Jamila to Amadou. She was in the same list. Yes. No, the deputy. Finch, not the ambassador, the deputy. We are looking for the deputy. Onwanye.
I was on the qualification here then.
I'm going there. Hold on.
I just want to say something quickly and drop, okay? You see how my Muslim sister down there is quick to defend Hajia, right? And she's an MPP person. This is why NDC play us like tennis ball every time.
Adamu,
we had Muslims.
That is the name, unfortunately.
We had Muslims. We had Muslims disrespecting Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We had Muslims disrespecting a fellow Muslim just because of political differences. Even that one, it was a lie. And hypocritically, some of the Muslims in our party never said anything. We are talking about facts here. If you have
there's no qualification.
climb up
That's
and
no
bring
qualification.
you are down there defending her. Meanwhile, you are playing
Let's
the
hold
religious
on.
card.
Hold on.
Remarkable journey.
Hajia Jamila.
Sister Ama,
Yes.
Mamuntu netie nguye gari mo because ye nyina yuguta qualifications ba kwa ambassadors ni bi.
Oh no, Archbishop, me ba nyame pesa mekane say ye nya ye part na kasa MPP nya atwom ne dɔɔso ye ntim na ɔman mu no mbe ɔmudi entro to Dr. Baumia so say or we preko. What were good Muslims supposed to do?
All kind of what they are
There were sheikh ni imams for this country. How many sheikhs and imams spoke about it? But here we are talking about a fact. If you have a counterfact, climb up and show, and you are there doing
you are
the
not
same.
climbing.
Yeah, you cannot climb up to come and show, but you are triggered because we are talking about a fellow Muslim like that. Let's stop the hypocrisy. Enough is enough. Enough is enough already.
We are unfortunately, whether we want to admit it or not, our deputy ambassador to Dubai is an issue.
You were a Muslim, so you are playing the religious card here. You are doing PR for what you don't even have the counterfact to even argue. We have been giving you the chance, climb up and come and show, but all you are doing, I have observed and I've seen that you are doing PR because you feel like she is a fellow Muslim. But when they are dragging one of your own Muslims from the other side, you don't come back, you don't even defend it.
Let's
stop this.
When you type Aquana's sponsor, all the qualifications come up. Okay. So everything Aquana, he was a member of parliament. He was deputy minister of fishery. Then he is now part of the deputy ambassador. You understand? Then all his education, party, age, and everything that follows income. Now, when we go to Amadou,
Jamila
Amadou, Jamila too. The only thing that comes is Hajia Jamila to appointed deputy head of Ghana meeting in the UAE. Hajia Jamila to Zongo has been appointed as a new deputy of Ghana meeting in the United Arab. Her appointment marks another significant milestone as she moved from Tamale to take up a diplomatic role in Dubai.
Oh no, the journey from Tamale to UAE need a qualification.
Sister Kia, we repeat the way and Ramaku story, dear no Becca, your man appointment. Oh, now much say she came straight from BBB.
A remarkable journey from Tamale to the United Arab Emirates and opening the qualification. That is the qualification. So if we are saying, say, NDC4 has appointed a deputy ambassador who is clueless, she can't read nor write. We are not saying, we are not lying. The deputy ambassador to UAE, that is the gospel truth. You can call us names for all we can. We are not saying, say that. Listen, NDC4, I know that there are so many people who are qualified in NDC who can occupy this position. So I do not know why President Mahama would be so petty to give this woman. I don't know whether they compensating the crew for a job done. We cannot tell, because you cannot tell me, say, your deputy ambassador to UAE, and you see, this has nothing to do even with her appearance. The bottom line is, any power, because one any conference room, and negotiations. Who do you think one of us will be taking Mami serious? Now, what proper negotiations can this woman, being a deputy ambassador to UAE, what proper negotiations can this woman do on the behalf of EFNS and the country Ghana? That is the questions we are asking. And the NDC4 must shorten the part to the sense of
Ekia, when you go to the embassy of Dubai's page, the ambassador is there, he has his profile. But the deputy meeting has nothing. There's nothing to show. It's empty. They don't put a picture. There's no criteria. There's no qualification. Nothing. They don't even have a picture of her.
Just like that.
On the main Dubai website, they don't even have a picture of her there.
I was on for okay.
You boss of fire service. No, so say not. Can you look for her qualification as well? The chief, what's the name? Director of fire service.
I'm on the security service. Also, they rise through the ranks. And the ABI or rising through the
firefighter before. Has she ever been a firefighter?
I'm sure.
Yeah, she has been there.
She has
been there before. She has been there for a very long time.
Civil servants, they rise through the ranks. And the ABI, or no, on field. The American water, so I understand it. But the question here is, this woman, a current deputy ambassador, this woman do not have any qualification for the position she's occupying. And it's any negotiations on behalf of Ghana. The question I'm asking myself, and say, again, proper negotiations that we will all this woman should go and mediate between Ghana and the UAE. Mami or that way me say again negotiations Papa Ben and Mami we or bet me when I said you or kokra Profu Ben and a Mami. Have we thought about it?
Interpreter.
There's nothing on her. There's nothing on her. And when you go, the only thing you see on her is a Facebook post. I'm honored for this. She wrote, Hajia Amadu Hajia Zongo Right. I am honored to announce that I've officially assumed duty today as the deputy head of mission to the United Arab Emirates. I look forward to serving with dedication, integrity, and unwavering commitment to the responsibility entrusted to me. My profound gratitude goes to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana for the privilege of appointing me to this high office. I'm truly humbled by the confidence reposed in me. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to the First Lady, Ma Lordina Mahama, for the warm encouragement and steadfast support. To my husband,
okay,
Chief Sofo Azoka, thank you for the invaluable Ghanaian exposure and motivation that ushered me into active politics. I remain deeply grateful. To my family and friends, your prayers, love, and loyalty continue to inspire and strengthen me. And strengthen me. Hey, hold on. I've missed one line. I also express my sincere thanks to the NDC government for granting me the opportunity to serve and contribute to our nation's development. Full stop. As I take on this mandate, I pledge to work tirelessly to uplift the image of the Zongo girl child and to advance the progress of our Zongo community. Baumia there now on Zongo. Zongo community with humility and resolve. Hey, what English is that? With humility and resolve, I was trying to open pathways of opportunity, empower young girls, and promote dignity and pride within our community. Hajia there now on free. Samira there now on free. Now, I further commit to support my head of mission in achieving all key performance targets. Inshallah, with teamwork, discipline, dedication, I'm confident that we will excel. May the Almighty guide and strengthen us all as we fulfill this noble responsibility. Signed, Hajia Jamilatu Ahmadu, Deputy Head of UAE. That is the
Okay.
only post the woman has
deputy
ever made.
ambassador. Wife of so far as
understand a single thing you read.
There be
And congratulations to her.
What in Nanabi? Nanabi she brought no so say chachi beat in the drawer. Ya Nanabi you be careful what?
But mommy, I'm okay. Can I say, oh, yeah, fine. I say, oh,
John Mama deputy ambassador to Dubai.
But me tia me but me see for my obi mra me tia me ya me koda. Oh no. To be honest, me can bro for we no.
Chop no reward though.
No, lady see. Me ti pie me. Mo can bro for we no. Me ti e pie me. Ba. I don't know. You know.
Ana tompo usuba nya fezana.
No, I mean, you know, we so make out on Jazzy. Me say asema me trust e ka me tie me ya.
Bro for kama say amano. Me kwate a wo se de. You mate.
Me ti pie me.
O de mama nsha sie. Thank you Nanabi. Mama nsha sie mfiri ase ebusuafo. December 7th unfortunately anope me buy am e kasa me start free na atoshi. Ensem hu na waye ne hu a
Minister Nanabi say when who say me am hold on. Nanabi say when who say me am here. When who say he didn't see that I'm here.
So that there will be peace. Why, Mr. I want
peace. It's an evening. There shall not be peace.
Akosia, watch your comment was here. Please pick your comment and stop disturbing me this morning. Ebusuafo, I started this morning show with Natoshi. Natoshi's utterances. Essay. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Mampusi ni kusasi no. They are over 1.2 million. And to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nakasi we lose 1.2 million votes dida. And to yentoma no. And to me, me feel say in this day and age, we shouldn't encourage tribal bigotry. We shouldn't encourage tribal politics because
good morning.
This in this day and age, tribal politics, it will not help us. So I think say the party hierarchy near what MPP muno should do the honorable thing and call Natoshi to order. Enough is enough. MPP enya kan fo nko adia. MPP ni say ye fidan kwa domo tradition. Enya dan kwa nko a. Enya buzi nko a. There's a dombo. So that means not one mono. They already have a part in NPP. So the earlier we stop this tribalism, because me no him say, Rwanda for it took a foolish your friend and said Jimmy for back one what radio so to say Captain Smart and started a war. Your friend say Rwanda. And me no him say, ya de ka boy amane. Say no. The CSOs na wo kromu ha any journalist dey go kromu no. No government atimia create WhatsApp group edi omagum say they are the new agenda boys and girls say wo kromu ha. So please and please, can MPP call Natoshi to order? If Kennedy and the camp any messenger, it's best they stop campaigning. That is not the only thing I came to talk about this morning before we start with our headlines and tidbits. And then Abusuafo wo hwe me screen this one. Say your current deputy ambassador and the wahano. O check the official page. You do not see any qualification. And me question me bisa say on what grounds and your mama did choose so far as way as deputy ambassador. Abusuafo say ochinebi yakasa mami we enkoye any negotiations on behalf of Ghana or kwa brofo ben or kan iradi Yesu with Jesus Christ mobo. Brofo ben na mami we kwa kana say your mami we kwa na say ya tro bibi eden e dia go paper so nti wo betimi akan. And this if I short nipa na eno nti ne choose mami we na say nko be fa me anya hwe metimi akenkan metimi atro. So why would NDC choose a deputy ambassador? And I'm the qualification no eshana daka mu na munhu ye na munyi mfa meto wono ma. If she has any qualification, you people should bring it because we are worried. This woman is representing Ghana in the United Arab Emirates as a deputy ambassador. And from what we've gathered, this woman cannot read nor write. And no pay. And same when I'm a bad, me say, we voted for John Mahama, Yatiana and Sansa. ah ye fake doctor ebeje qualification na oketachi ye dede na Ghana for so mo na ma ma ni wu ye and wo twa appointment him and me ne wo ka say yakofa another person who cannot read nor write I am the deputy ambassador edi na mama ogu Ghana ni mu ase say Archbishop me sha see free wo so 5 minutes yenko.
Thank you. 5 minutes in the what's that here 5 minutes anisha. Sister Queer, mecha abusaphobia wa. Sister Queer na mu refi ade.
Me Archbishop pacho me ba abusuafo me so. O wa hanu ma repost live ne ma me say wo repost live na repost live ne ma me. Na wo wa see so me so like ma me. Why repost na share ma afofo no mo so e dey. Enjoy omuntimi join Archbishop pacho yenko.
Yes, Sami photo I catch a Ghana for say NCNC, no contribution, no chop. And this is for full soldiers catch a Radina Kupo. Why 2 minutes you? 2 minutes. What the back home? Grassroots, NDC grassroots to catch a Radon Mani Mahama say. Now me na
eti abusuya natural sense mo Ghana for the 2 Ghana me no kokoswe ba ye na enye asem ketua. Ghanaians are saying that they don't understand the reason why John Dramani Mahama appointed someone okoya ambassador or deputy ambassador for a whole country like Ghana. And sanipa no oni any credentials, oni any qualification, oni hwe. Oko check the history oni any thing attached to her name other than say offer flight from a year Temaleba Accra Basin Free Accra Echo Dubai no. She has no any other qualification at the Ghana for what say John Dramani Mahama e the Ghana enim year form e the Ghana enim year form what say busuya akoye insem bebre at the say odwene ho a wonte ase I'm akoye insem a odwene ho a wonte ase. Ghanaians are asking a lot of questions. People want to understand the reason why John Dramani Mahama appointed that woman for such a position. And yes, that's what people are saying. And I ask them ketwa. Mami wants to into our comment section. What do you think about this appointment? John Dramani Mahama. Yes, why yeah. Yes, in the panel. Any qualification? Because that's an ambassador or deputy ambassador no. And was a award degree or so some diplomacy qualifications been ade. But according to research and we say this woman no any credentials and other qualifications are okay time and qualify for that position as the deputy ambassador to a UAE, a United Arab Emirates. We in some watch say Ghana for no ebi edi ho komo